Good morning. I just woke up.
I couldn't fall asleep again. Been overthinking all the little things I've said. I'm sleep deprived almost every night.
Okay, while I'm waiting for my tea, I'm just gonna do boiled eggs. Right, I'm just gonna do my skincare now. Well, I actually went and bought some new products, so I'm gonna insert that here. Hey, so this is what I got. So I went to Boots and I just got like the brand name. I ended up getting all the rose stuff because it's supposed to calm down the face, and I have a bit of redness in my cheeks. I also got the facial oil in the same thing. I'm really hoping that'll help me with my redness. I did get these so that I can do like a, sorry, that's upside down. I got this because I wanted to do a little night where I like relax, watch a movie, put my eye mask on. And then I also got this. I have already used it, that's why it's out of the box, but it comes in this box. It's actually really cool. I was looking for this, but I just can't find it anywhere. I did buy the foundation, bear with me, but the foundation, it's not as good at all. And then I also got this. So cute. Honestly, did I buy it just because of the packaging? Yes. A little mirror, you can see. So I'm after getting the mirror. I know you're probably, if you've ever watched my channel before, I have so many mirrors. It's so pretty. Let's open it. Yeah, I find like mirrors can be quite expensive, but when I find a deal on one, I'm like, oh my god, I need to get it now. No, I don't know. I do know where I want to put this one. I need to clip on. Kind of like a kidney bean shape. But you'll see it in an upcoming video. I'm going to do a bathroom makeover. And this is actually going to be my new mirror for bathroom. The last thing is some books. I was down at my grandmother's this weekend. So I got some books from her house. As you can probably tell, I'm on a big rose kick. With my cellar water as well, it's also rose. If I can get clothes washed today, I'll be very happy. So I just finished the therapy, so let's put these babies on. I need to go and pick out an outfit. So it's basically 10:30 now. I'm gonna meet her at 12. This is the top I'm gonna wear, but I have to figure out the trousers. I might just try these ones because they're skinny and they won't drag on the ground. Or do I just go big as well? My black. Let's try these actually. Can you see them? It's really annoying because I really wanted to wear this summer dress. I'll show you. I am definitely going to start being in a better mood. I don't care. Rain is going to be so bad. I'm going to put my hair half up. Okay, cool. So I've done my makeup. Got my outfit on. I'm ready to go. And it's great. I've got 50 minutes left. And I'll probably still be late. Actually, how long does it take to walk there? Okay, so it takes 20 minutes to walk there. So this is where we're going. It's called Little Bird. This is what I want to get, the burrito. This, I'm gonna get some. I'm so excited. Hey guys, so it's just a little bit later. The weather is awful. So I decided I am going to do some stuff that is not productive and is just nice. And I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos. I'm going to have tea, cake, all of that stuff. There's a few things I wanted to make for a while. So there is this. It's just for earrings. Hopefully it'll look cute. Finished doing the mushroom. This carrot cake, I've never had carrot cake before and I'm not really a big fan. I want to make a tissue box holder. Show you what I'm trying to do. I want to make a box for this. It's actually the next day now, and honestly I was wrecked yesterday. I did finish off these projects. I'll show you. So this is a little earring thing, and then also this. It's not dry yet, and I didn't have enough stuff to finish it, but I left this whole mess here. So let's go and clean it up. So these are coffee and coconut oil, and I'm gonna try and use them in the shower to exfoliate. This mop was actually a friend of mine's, so I'm gonna start scratching. So I lived in Australia, I lived in New Zealand, obviously live in Ireland. I've been to England and Scotland, but not Wales, so I didn't scratch that out. I've been to Portugal, to France, AUE, New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Florida, Alaska, and Iceland. I really hope that soon I'll be able to go and start scratching more off this map. Just a few minutes ago or whatever, I went and I did go food shopping. So I got myself some snacks.